Hello, ụtụtụ ọma nọ. Ka unu mere? I hope everyone is doing very well. Okay, this morning we're going to look at Ijuase. Ijuase is pleasantries. When we are greeting someone, you don't just say ụtụtụ ọma or ehihie ọma and then you go. No, you ask after the person's family, the person's work, a lot of things about the person. That's what we call Ijuase in Igbo. So let's take a look at how we do that and the responses we are expected to give in Igbo. So the first one is Kedu. When somebody say Kedu, Kedu means how. Okay, Kedu means how. The right response is Odemma. Odemma, that is, it's alright. Depending on who you're asking. Depending on who you're asking. Then somebody asks you Kedu Kidi or Kedu Kimere. It's a direct question. If somebody asks you Kedu Kidi or Kedu Kimere, the person is asking you, you say Ademumma. Ademumma means I am fine or I'm alright. I am fine. Ademumma. Okay. If somebody is asking Kedu Makandio Logi, how about your people? Your people. You say Hadimma. Hadimma means they are fine. Kedu maka nwunye gị? If you're married, somebody will usually ask Kedu maka nwunye gị? That's how about your wife. You say Odemma. She's alright. Kedu maka di gị? Also, if you're married, di means husband, so it means how about your husband? So the response is Odemma. Odemma means he is alright. Kedu maka nwa gị? If you already have a child, they say Kedu maka nwa gị? Means how about your child? Because nwa could be he or she, so depending on whoever, whether it's a he or she in Igbo, both of them mean the same thing. It's also Odemma. Kedu maka ụmụ gị? If you have more than one child, Omu means children. Kedu maka ụmụ gị? So say Hademma. Take note of the way I'm responding to this. Hademma. Kedu maka nne gị? Nne is mother, your mom. Kedu maka nne gị? How about your mother? Odemma, she is fine. Kedu maka nna gị? How about your father? They also say Odemma, he is fine. Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Ụmụnne means your siblings, that's your brothers and sisters. Somebody say Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? How about your brothers and sisters? You say Hadicha mma, they are all alright. Then somebody say Keomesia or Kemesia, as the case may be, it means see you soon. You respond and say Odemma. Somebody might say Ijeoma. Ijeoma is safe journey. Say Odemma. It's alright. Somebody might say Je Nkoma or La Nkoma or Ga Nkoma. They all mean the same thing, mean go well. You say O means you accept the prayer. Somebody might say Ndewo. Ndewo is well done. When you're doing something, somebody comes around saying Ndewo. You say O. So these are some of the where we exchange pleasantries in Igbo. Try it within this week. Teach somebody that probably don't know how to speak Igbo and teach the person how to respond, and then you will see it's very, very interesting. Dalon.